Want to know how to rotate a two-dimensional matrix by 90 degrees in Java? Well, no worries. Rotating a 2D matrix by 90 degrees is common in graphics and games. So in this video, I'm just going to explain you how you can do it. So it's super simple and easy. So I'll just use a basic compiler for it. So you can just simply use a compiler if you want. So in this example, we create a new matrix and move its element to its new rotated position. We use using rotated j n minus 1 minus I equals to matrix I and j. So here you can see under for loop right here, this is the formula that we simply use. So we have created two matrices at first, which is 2 times 2, and now we just simply print it out. After printing the rotated matrix, this simple nested loop tricks help you understand array indexing for transformations. It is great for practice and also interesting for graphic designing and games. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.